Yo, hello everyone and welcome back again to a brand new video. Do you need to make bulk edits in Pipedrive? This tutorial will teach you how to select multiple records, apply changes to all of them at once, and save time on manual updates. Follow these steps to efficiently manage your data. So guys, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch it from now till the end so you can have the full experience. So first of all guys, go ahead and open pipedrive.com. Make sure to click on the first link and then log into your account. If you don't have one, make sure to create one very easily, and you can skip most of the process just by logging in using Gmail. Now, what do we mean with bulk edit? Bulk edit is basically when you go to a list of so many data, but you want to change this whole data at once. As an example here, I have a couple of options. So for example, I want to change the owner of this deals, and basically I want to send a group of them to a certain person. For example, I want to send these deals for my manager so he can deal with them instead of me. So what can I do? Am I going to click right here, edit it, and start giving it names by name? That can take a lot of time. Well, what I'm gonna do is to first of all manage to select all of them. Then after that you have to go to the next step. So let's start by selecting them. So selecting them is not gonna be like that, but it's gonna be by clicking on this button right here, which will allow you to select all of the lists. Then if there is an exception that you don't want to select it, then just hover it just like that. Now let's talk about how can we change everything. Well, when it comes to changing, you just have to go to bulk edit right here, and you can literally change here everything. You can change, for example, the title, the owner, value, organization, contact person, pipeline stage, label, status, deal created, won time, lost reason, visible to, expected close date, source channel ID, and finally here we have the deal and process. Now these labels are gonna be changed depending on the labels that are here in the rows. So depending on if you change, for example, the organization to something else, then of course it's going to be changed in here as well to something else. So this is how it works. Let's try a test. So the test that I'm going to run is basically by selecting them and changing, for example, the title. So let's go here, edit current value, and let's name it, for example, let's name it 30 phones. After I did that, I'm going to click on edit 9 deals, then click right here to confirm it, and look at here. We simply have to wait a little bit and all of these should change. As you can see, the title has been changed from the previous name to this name, which is 13 phones. Now let's do that on all of these columns. So basically guys, let's do select all, then let's go for value. Now value, for example, is something that is unique for a deal, and basically I don't think there is a way, I mean it is right here, but I don't think there is a case where you want to select a bulk of deals because the value might change for a lot of them, but whatever. Let's try first to change the deal of all of these. Let's even change the currency and let's make it around 100k, so something like that could be good. And let's edit 9 deals, let's click on confirm, and as you can see it's gonna start changing. Here we got organization, so the same thing. Click right here, organization, and let's go ahead and edit it. There's also the option that you can clear everything from here. So let's try it out in something. For example, contact person, I'm gonna clear it all, go here, clear field, and edit 9. Confirm. As you can see, this contact person informations should be removed and they will be all deleted. So this is basically how the bulk edits work. Now as you can see here, we can also make this visible too. You can lost reason lost time. Each thing of these is gonna be changed depending on what thing you have chosen it to be. Also, everything that you change is gonna be appearing right here the moment you do it. We will have a message right here that tells you how much bulk things are gonna be in the queue, so it can be done. For example, it's gonna be 1 on 6, 1 on 30, then it's gonna be going up until it reaches the maximum number of the things that you have selected. And make sure, guys, that you do not click in this. For example, let's say for example you don't want to edit anything, but instead you just want to delete. Well, be careful, you can delete selected items right through here, so you might make a mistake. So as you can see here, make sure that all activities, notes, files, documents, and invoices linked to the deal are deleted as well. These admins can restore deleted deals within 30 days. The linked items will be restored as well. For example, let's delete them, and as you can see, everything got deleted. So if I want to create a new deal, well, I have to do it from scratch. So this is an example just on how you can literally have your deals bulk edited. And make sure here on deals you are on the list, not in the pipeline, because the pipeline is pretty harder to bulk edit and it will not have the select all function in it. So this is only works in the list of deals or in the contacts. For example, if I went to the contact right here, I will be able to select everyone, and then I can do whatever I want. Let's go here for people, as you can see here. So I selected everything, and now I can change the values of everything. For example, marketing status, double option, name, labels, organization, email, etc. So I have the ability to change literally everything in here. Let's start by deleting something. For example, I'm gonna edit the labels. I'm gonna select everything, go here to label, and let's change it to something like customer. Click on edit 7 persons, and here you will be able to actually save it. So it's pretty simple, nothing complicated about it at all. So with that being said, I can literally remove the same thing that we done like in the previous thing. I can select all of these, click on delete, and as you can see here, everything is going to be deleted. So make sure, guys, once you are trying to delete or bulk delete, you are revising your options again twice or 3 times, so you don't remove the important data that you don't want to remove. So you can have always like pre-conscious stuff, and you have protection on your data. And of course there is like the backup, but still it's better that to be worried than being sorry. And that's been it, guys, for today's video. Thank you all for watching. See you guys in the next tutorial.